Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now we're going to look at the back door, back gate on my son's 2000 model Celica. It was the shock absorber that's supposed to keep it up. You see here, don't want to stay up. So thinking to I was thinking to change them. Yeah. Just putting on some oil on both sides. See here, to make it a little safer for myself, I put up a tripod for video lights. I ordered a new one at Aliexpress. I just have to find a tool to open this. 2 screws and bolts on each side. I have to check how big. Yeah, I found a 10mm lying in the other car. That was exactly right. 10mm and little long one was perfect. Now I have to be able to open this. See if I'm opening the bottom completely. See, I done a mistake when I ordered, because if I have been understanding that the other one don't want to get off, should just order a new one with a new plug in here. Now I just have to try to get off this. I was trying to open this one in the back, but it's get ruined. So now I'm just trying to cut this system to pieces and move it out. There, I have to cut them to pieces. Now hopefully I can get on the other one without too much problem. Seeing something. This one I was registering, it was standing L, that should be left. And I see the angle they come out. It's not so nice. So I think they should be on like this, not the other way around. I just have to check. Det er ikke så mye. Jeg må få en annen innpå her. Litt nær. Ta litt opp. Der! Det sounds like I twisted a little. But this one is useless. You don't hold anything. Yeah, I see something now. There is very like this, and here I turn it around, and then it become right. So the bump down here is supposed to stand down in a bump. So I just have to. You see here, that one should have been here. So it's my fault. Because you see when it changed on the other side, it was working as it should. There. Now it's been working. Now it's working perfectly. Even with the heavy canwood, yeah, even with the heavy canwood now it's working. So it just made a lot of mess. I had to cut it off on the top and turned those wrong way, and everything was just hopeless. Now it's working. At least finally. One problem fixed on this car. So I have to fix the rest and get it MOT controlled, EU controlled, so my oldest boy can use it again. Please put a like and help old boy, me, and start following the channel, start looking at all the other videos. Sometimes I do things right too. Sometimes I mess up and you learn from it. So please put a comment. You can tell me how stupid I am, or you can try to help me. If I learn, many others could learn from the video, so that's a good thing. Yeah, thank you, welcome back.